In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Customize File tab in Outlook. First, a quick note about versions. The classic desktop Outlook that installs with Microsoft 365 or Office includes a File tab on the ribbon. The new Outlook for Windows and Outlook on the web don't use the traditional File tab. Those options live under the Settings gear and the View tab. So if you don't see File, you're likely in the new experience or a browser. To follow along with the File tab, open the classic Outlook desktop app. At the top left of the window, on the ribbon, click File. This opens the Backstage view, a full-page area for managing your account and app-wide settings. On the Info page, you'll find tools like Account Settings, Mailbox Cleanup, and Automatic Replies. These are the places to add or manage accounts, clear space, and set an out-of-office message. Open Export lets you import or export data and open Outlook data files. Save As is handy when you want to save an individual message outside Outlook. Print gives you quick access to printing your calendar, emails, or contacts. And Options is where you adjust advanced preferences across mail, calendar, people, and more. If you want faster access to the things you use most, you can customize the ribbon. Go to File, then Options, and choose Customize Ribbon. Here you can add, remove, or reorder tabs and commands, including features that would normally be in the Backstage view. You can even create a new tab, add custom groups, and place your frequently used commands there so you don't need to open the File page every time. Another time saver is the Quick Access Toolbar. Open File, Options, then Quick Access Toolbar, or click the small arrow at the very top left of Outlook. From Choose Commands from, pick items you commonly reach through files such as Print, Options, or Account Settings and add them. They'll appear as one-click icons above or below the ribbon, whichever you prefer. If you're using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web and there's no File tab, use the Settings gear to adjust most options. For layout and appearance changes, go to the View tab and choose View Settings. That's it. Thanks for watching.